India thinks that it can carve out space for war between India and Pakistan. It is actually a recipe for carving out mutual annihilation.
And what's your view on the ongoing threat? This is obviously a fragile truce.
Yeah, I think this is the most important thing that we need to see, that why that India needs, the world needs to also to communicate and understand that they cannot allow and should not allow India to trump up this fake narrative of being victim of terrorism years after year and raise this bogey. And at the same time, Kashmir is an external problem. It's a problem that involves three countries: Pakistan, India, and China also. It's a problem that has to be resolved by the will, as per the will of the people of Kashmir, as per the United Nations Security Council resolution.
Was there, on that issue of Kashmir, any commitment to formally discuss it going forward from New Delhi?
As we always say, that the Kashmir remains the central issue. It is the unfinished part of the agenda of the partition of India and Pakistan. Till the time we don't resolve the issue of Kashmir as per the will of the people, as per the United Nations resolution, there can never be peace between India and Pakistan. Anyone who tries to violate our territorial integrity and sovereignty, our response will be brutal, our response will be swift and assured. We love peace. If you see the streets of Pakistan right now, we are not celebrating victory, we are actually celebrating peace.